Welcome back to the video. In this video, I will show you how to switch from Google Gemini to a Google Assistant in this video. As you can see right here, this is a Google Gemini. So we want to switch back to a Google Assistant. So let's get started. So the very first thing we want to do on our phone right here is to go ahead and uninstall Google Gemini. So I'm going to click and hold down. Then I'll make sure I uninstall my Gemini right here. Hit on OK. Now, Gemini has been successfully uninstalled. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our phone settings. Having opened up our phone settings, we need to go ahead and look for Google right here. Click on Google. Then it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on All Services. Then we scroll down right here and we make sure we look for. So we make sure we continue to scroll down until we get to Search, Assistant, and Voice. We click on that. Then it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on Google Assistant. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here. Then we assign Assistant and Voice. So this one is okay by me. Then we go ahead, come down right here, and we can choose Google AI Assistant right here. I'm okay by English language. Okay. So you can scroll down right here and continue. So just like so. Okay. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Voice Match. So make sure this is turned on right here. Okay. So go ahead and go back right here. Then we can come back to the voice section right here, voice match. Then we can go ahead and click on retrain voice match mode. Then, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what is the weather tomorrow? Okay, Google, explain how to rainbow is formed. Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Sound great. Hey, Google is ready. Then click on next. Now we can say, hey, Google. Just like so, you can see it right here. So we can start asking whatever question we want to ask Hey Google, and we are getting the response without any stress with our Hey Google. So it's that simple. You can see the more I talk, everything here was written on my screen right here with Hey Google. So basically, this is how to switch from Gemini to Hey Google without any stress on your phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.